Hey everyone, I'm Sean with Emassagechair.com, and today we're going to be unboxing and fully assembling the Fujiiryoki Cyber Relax Elite. It's one of the most advanced massage chairs from Fujiiryoki. I'm going to take you from the moment this thing shows up all the way to your very first massage. So if you got one of these on the way, stick around. By the end, you'll know exactly what to expect. So here's how to arrive. The Cyber Relax Elite ships in a few large, heavy boxes, and I want to be upfront with you. This is not a one-person operation. This right here is precisely why I always recommend at least threshold delivery. Threshold gets everything brought inside your doorway instead of leaving you and these boxes alone in the driveway. Plan on at least two people to move it to wherever it will live. Okay, normally this is the part where I spend 20 minutes wrestling with cardboard and packing foam. But for your sake and mine, let's speed things up a little. That's much better. Wouldn't it be nice if things were always this easy? Here's everything once it's all unpacked. There are four main pieces to the chair itself. First, we have the main body. It's the heart of the massage chair and by far the heaviest piece. Then here we have the footrest. And finally, both armrests, the left and the right. And then we've got the accessories. You'll find the touchscreen tablet controller, the attachment, the power cable, and a small bag of hardware. These are all the screws you'll need, plus a single Allen wrench. That little Allen wrench is the same trusty tool that has built roughly half of your furniture in your home, so you already know how this goes. You also get the manual and the assembly instructions, and we're going to follow those step by step right now, and you can see how everything all comes together. First, we'll start with the armrests, and these are a little more involved than they look, but take your time and they'll go on. On the main body, you'll find the wiring harness assembly and an air hose. Pull those out and connect them to the armrest first. Make sure you do this before you set the armrest in place. Next, lift the front end of the armrest and tilt it. Set the rear end with the roller in it inside the main body, then slide it back into the armrest. Once it's seated, lower it down onto the steel frame, and then you'll do the same thing on the other side. To lock everything down, look at the front of the chair. On the inside, there are two screw holes per armrest. Once you screw these in, the armrest is going to be nice and solid. Now the controller. This is the touchscreen tablet that runs the whole chair, so it's worth getting right. First, remove the anchor screw from the spot where the remote control stand mounts. Attach the stand and pay attention to which direction it faces because it only makes sense one way. There's a small cover piece that goes over the hole once the stand is on. Then insert the touchscreen controller into the stand. Last, connect the control panel to the terminal. This is a chunky connector, I think it's a 7-pin, and it screws down once it's seated. So once it's in, it's not going anywhere. So now we're in the home stretch. Let's attach the footrest. Underneath, connect the wiring harness and the air tube that feeds the airbags. Now, find the brackets the footrest sit in and make sure that they're open. Lift the footrest into the brackets, then tighten them down with the supplied screws, and that's the last piece. Plug in the power cable. And when you turn it on, the massage chair automatically moves itself into the upright position. And that's the full build. From a stack of boxes in the garage to the fully assembled Fujiiryoki Cyber Relax Elite massage chair. It took some patience, a second set of hands, and one very dependable Allen wrench, but it's done. So there's only one thing left to do: quality control for science. And after all that, you've definitely earned this massage. If you got questions about the Cyber Relax Elite or you want to see it in action, everything's over at Emassagechair.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.